hydrogen peroxide wants to break down into water and oxygen, and if we add a catalyst to it, we can make it happen so fast that the water that comes off will be boiling and in the form of steam, and the oxygen we won't even see. But it'll happen so fast, I want you to notice a few things. I'm going to pour it in here, into this bottle. Okay, not using much, so I want to live to do this again. And now 30% hydrogen peroxide is about 10 times as concentrated as that which you can get in a store. It's usually 3%. There are ways of doing these reactions safer. Like there are some versions that some people will do in grade schools. Not so much this one, the next one I'll do, you'll see. So adding a catalyst, right now it is breaking down. It's turning into water and oxygen, but it's doing it really slow, and in fact it'd be years before it really would degrade. But if I add a catalyst, that'll change. Just to be on the safe side. Good. I just want to protect these seats. Now watch, nothing will happen. I would rather nothing happen than something bad happens. Okay. We're just going to cover up these seats. There you go. Thank you. Okay. All right. So I'm going to drop this in. Do we have where is that? I'm going to drop this in, and we'll see what happens. Ready?
Yeah.
Count with me. 3, 2, 1 more thing. Got my safety gear on, ready to go. All right, here we go. I always look up to see if there's a thermal thing that will bring people. So we actually call this one genie in a bottle. It's called, but it can kind of spray splatters. And I just wanted to make sure that yep, we're good. I wouldn't have wanted you to sit there, but you're still good. So the next one I'm going to do was really cool because I actually got to do this. Whoops. That's why I wear a life jacket. I actually got to do this one on ESPN, actually, many years ago. And they did a little thing and they were trying to get me to demonstrate how, this is when Boise State was in the running for the national championship. This is a long time ago. And it happened to be, of all days, it was a Tuesday game. They brought out, it was against Louisiana Tech, it was many years ago. It's still on YouTube. I have copies of it too. And they wanted me to do a chemical reaction like a mad scientist because it was near Halloween. And so the funny thing is we brought them into a bunch of different actual chemistry labs, and they did not think they looked like chemistry labs enough. Like this is what we do in them, right? But we did do it, and I mixed these things together. It took like 1.5 hours to make a 30-second shot. Okay, so we mix some more of the hydrogen peroxide. Then soap. So I add a little soap. Mix it up real nice, okay? Then, do we have any food coloring? I feel like being pretty, so I just want to do that. So we got some food coloring. Hey, in case you didn't notice, I like the Green Bay Packers. I'm gonna make it green. But that's shooting green all over the place. Okay. Okay, mix that up, nothing happening. It's Now I'm going to add a different catalyst. Remember what catalysts do? What do?
Speed things up.
Make the reaction go faster. Okay? So if we can make this dump all of the energy stored in here, it should do something pretty amazing. This is the one where, Karen, get ready to grab that, and we might have to slide it. You know what I mean? If it slides off the top. Once I made 55 gallons of this by mistake, and so we gotta make sure. So you guys may have seen this one before. It's really famous. It's all throughout the internet. You'll see over and over and over again. Let's try this. I rarely do this one because of that, which I didn't expect to happen. Twice in the Jordan Ballroom, once at the Harrod Center for Arts and Science in Twin Falls, and now in this building I've left my indelible mark, which I did not think was going to happen. So this is called, we call this one a mess, first of all. But we call this one elephant toothpaste. That's a good grand finale, I think.